A traveler enters a sleeping town and whispers one secret. If gossip spreads to just 3 people at a time, common sense says it takes months to reach everyone. But your intuition is lying. How fast does the entire city actually find out? Imagine a quiet morning in a massive, bustling city of exactly 50,000 people. The clock tower strikes exactly 8 a.m. Suddenly, a lone traveler steps through the main gates. But this traveler isn't just carrying luggage, they are carrying a top secret, incredibly juicy rumor. Just one person with one piece of explosive information stepping into a giant metropolis. The stakes are set, the clock is ticking, and a massive chain reaction is about to begin. How fast can a single whisper travel? Here is how the rumor spreads. Every time someone hears the secret, they are completely mind blown. It takes them exactly 15 minutes to process the news, find 3 brand new people who haven't heard it yet, and share the juicy details. Those 3 new people then take exactly 15 minutes to find 3 more new people each. That is the only rule. 15 minutes on the clock, 3 new people told. The sequence locks in and begins to multiply. But how fast? So, we have a town of 50,000 people and a single rumor spreading strictly to 3 new people every 15 minutes. It sounds like a pretty slow process, right? Finding people, telling them, waiting. But here is the ultimate puzzle we need to solve today. At this exact steady rate of sharing, at what time will every single person in this entire 50,000 person town know the secret? Will it take a week, a month, or maybe a whole year? Before we calculate the exact time, let us crank up the stakes even higher. Imagine the rumor is so mind-bogglingly good that instead of telling 3 people, everybody tells 5 new people every 15 minutes. Or even crazier, what if the secret is so absolutely sensational that every person immediately tells 10 new people? We have the ultimate mathematical mystery on our hands. With such a massive population, is it actually possible to infect the whole town in a single day? Welcome to the ultimate intuition trap. Our human brains are completely terrible at grasping exponential growth. We naturally think in straight lines, like a slow-moving tortoise. But this rumor isn't walking. It's strapped to a mathematical rocket ship. What starts as a tiny whisper rapidly multiplies into an unstoppable avalanche. When everyone tells 3 people, the branches of our rumor tree multiply at a blinding, explosive rate. The reality of this puzzle is about to shatter everything you guessed. Let us break down the scoreboard round by round. At 8 a.m., just one person knows. By 8:15, 1 plus 3 equals 4 people. By 8:30, 4 plus 9 makes 13. At 8:45, we hit 40 people. By 9 a.m., a full hour later, only 121 people know the secret. Visually, it feels like an absolutely tiny drop in a 50,000 person bucket. You might think we have weeks to go, but wait. This is where the math explodes. The numbers start doubling, tripling, and compounding wildly. By 10 a.m., nearly 10,000 people know. By 10:15, it hits nearly 30,000. And then, boom. At exactly 10:30 a.m., the counter shatters the 50,000 mark and lands at 88,573. It takes exactly 2.5 hours for the rumor to completely consume the entire town, and then some. Exponential math is wildly powerful. Want a brilliant shortcut? Yakov Perelman reveals a mathematical cheat code for geometric sequences so you never have to add up every single round manually. The total sum is always equal to the latest round's number, plus half of one less than that number. For example, if the latest round adds 729 people, just take half of 728, which is 364, and add it. Boom, 1,093 total people. Now, what about our first bonus question? If the rumor was so juicy that everyone told 5 new people, the growth is absolutely terrifying. The numbers rocket upward from 1 to 6 to 31, hitting nearly 4,000 in just an hour. By the next 15-minute window, the total wildly exceeds our 50,000 population cap. The entire town would know the secret before 9:45 a.m. Just 2 extra people saves 45 minutes of spreading time. But the absolute best mathematical twist comes when everyone tells 10 people. The total number of people who know the secret creates a mesmerizing, repeating sequence of ones. 1, 11, 111, all the way up to 111,000. The town's massive population of 50,000 is totally eclipsed in just the sixth round. The entire city hears the news shortly after 9 a.m., taking barely over an hour to reach everybody. If the illusion of exponential growth tricked your brain today, wait until you see how false assumptions can completely blind you to an obvious truth. Click the video on screen to crack another impossible paradox.